All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a story someone told you and you remember. So,
I have heard many stories
I
in my
have heard.
heard. I have heard many stories in my life. I think storytelling is an art as old as civilization itself. My mother used to tell me stories uh, uh, at night, at bedtime. Her voice and the way she used to tell me the story was so satisfying that uh, I slept with no time. Uh, every story she told us have some moral values. Uh, the story she used to tell many times is a story of a woodcutter, how he used to cut trees with his axe, and his axe fell into the water. Uh, uh, the and fell into the water, and he prayed to God for help. God sent a help for him, uh, but at the end, his
Okay, thank you. The overall style is good, and this is very good that you did not start narrating the story. Many students do that, but you just linked it with grandmother and then you gave a little reference of story. This is very, very good. Okay, but you need to focus your fluency, and you're thinking a lot. I mean, a lot of time you're thinking like that. So try to practice these topics 2 to 3 times so that for every cue card, everything you have something ready, something that's what we call readily available. That if it is describe a story someone told you, you will talk about grandmother and woodcutter story. That's it. If the topic is this, you will say like that. Okay. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Has storytelling changed over the period of time?
Yes, I think everything changes with the period of time. When we are in our childhood, our mother used to tell us stories without any help, without any books. But nowadays, my sister used to tell her children's stories through books. He used to go to the market to buy new books, CDs, to tell them stories.
Yeah, so to answer your question, storytelling has changed a lot over the time period. Instead of books, now there are digital ways to tell the stories. At the end, there should be one sentence conclusion. So you need practice, understanding of the question, and a proper organized answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All right. Thank you.